This week, Jess asks, Anna, I've always been self-conscious about my smile because you can always see my gums, but I've heard about using Botox and that it can help. Does that work? I have a confession to make. I get Botox in my upper lip. It's actually one of my favorite things that I do because, like you, I suffer from a gummy smile. So when I do Botox in my upper lip, two things happen. It helps to recess my upper lip, which then prevents the gum line from being exposed when I smile. The other thing it does is it naturally turns up my upper lip, which gives the appearance of a slightly fuller lip that's more proportionate with my bottom. I personally like just a little filler combined with Botox in your lips for a more natural lip appearance. And for someone like you and me, it will definitely help to minimize the appearance of that gum line.